Hi friends, welcome back. Those are new to the channel, this is Jayant. So sorry for not uploading video from last week. I was missed a bit so many things, so I couldn't upload video. So sorry for that. And in today's video, we're going to discuss about the top 5 books. Like these books for every student should learn. Like even I have been reading this book from last 1 year. So I felt so many changes in my life after reading these books. So I'm going to share the books which I learned from last 1 year, which changed my life. We're going to discuss all 5 books. Okay. So these books are just like it's a self-development books where you can develop yourself. Like it's like a motivation and it's like a productive things. How can you follow your day-to-day life activities in less time? So before getting video, let's discuss why to read books. So students might watching videos on YouTube like motivation videos, and then students might having a audible like Amazon Audible books and then some Spotify podcast. So instead of listening something, if you're reading something, like imagination power improves. Whereas while reading some book, like you can while reading itself, you'll be thinking about the things which are reading over there. So like whenever reading something, like imagination power improves. So this going to help you in the future, like whenever you're creating some projects. So this kind of power helps to do the projects in creative way. So this why I would recommend every student should read a book at least, like in a day you should read at least 20 to 30 pages. So at least in a week you need to complete one book. Like at least in a month you can take 1 month for completing one book. So as like depends on a person. Like if you're good at reading, you can complete one book in a month, 1 week. Or else if you're like slow in a reading, ask me, like you can complete one book in a month. So I would recommend everyone to start reading a book at least from now onwards. So if you are starting new to this learning, this just start with the 5 books which I'm going to tell you. Let's begin, guys. Yes guys, just start reading these books which we're going to discuss in video. The first book I would recommend everyone to read is Alchemist. This is a book. So I've been reading this book from I started reading this in first semester. After reading this, I seen a major change in my life. Like this book is good for the inspiration. Like if you want to start your new career, you can read this book. And like the important thing of this book is while reading, the author is connecting the ideas into real life examples. Like if you're reading a story in that book, the author is connecting our life into real life example over there. So if you are like a person, like you're starting with a career, like if you're starting a book reading, and you can definitely start with a book, guys. This is going to amazing book. Like this book is full of dreams, and highly recommend for those who are aspiring for big aims and big innovations in your life. You can start reading this book, guys. I would recommend everyone to read this book. Yes guys, the second book is Limitless. This is one of the favorite book of my life. This book is like amazing. The author of this is Jim Quick. So I guess many people know who is Jim Quick. He's the best brain coach in the world. Like he just train our brains to be motivated and you have productiveness. And in this, like you have all step by step manner. Like let's say like he just wrote on all the steps, like what are the things you don't do in the morning and what are the things you don't do afternoon, like night. If you are a student like who feeling lazy and you cannot, like you are just procrastinating your work and you just like you're not able to do the things on time, this is a best book to read, guys. This is going to help you. Trust me. Like even in this lockdown, I was like lazy. I couldn't able to do all the works on time. So I just had a mail from someone like just try with book. I just started learning this book I just brought a book in Amazon Kindle. So it's an online book. So after reading this, I just felt amazing in myself. Like the author is Jim Quick is mentioned in the book. Like he just mentioned the examples, live examples, like even like Alchemist. He just mentioned all examples, like if a student, like you can do the things in the morning. So when you're feeling lazy, you can do the things. And then he just mentioned like some tips for how to study effectively. Like he just mentioned some more tips like Pomodoro, and then so many tricks he just mentioned over there. If you follow the tricks, and you can have a productiveness in your study life. So if you're a student, even if you're school students, even college student, like even a working professional, this is the best book to start your career, guys. If you're feeling lazy and you couldn't able to do all the things on time, if you're feeling unproductive, and this is the best book to start your this is the best book. You can change your life. This is the best book, guys. I suggest everyone to read this book. Yes guys, the third book in our list is Think and Grow. This is the best book for if you are like looking for investment, and if you're looking for start a business, and if you're looking for some high level billionaire, if you want to make a millionaire, trillionaire, this is the best book. And even like if you can see some interview videos of the top millionaires, like they won't say like they just read this book and they got million. So even this book has some reviews in Google, and then the book, like those who read the books, they are the millionaires. So it is the best book. Like if you're planning to earn good money, and if you're planning to invest in some, it's a gold mine book, guys. Just read this book. So after reading Alchemist, and you can start reading this book, guys. This is the best book. Like it's a gold mine. You have a gold mine in your hand. Like after reading books, you can start digging your gold mine in your life. So don't take it like a simple thing and just start reading this book, guys. This is a gold mine. Like, don't miss opportunity, guys. The author mentioned all the tricks in over there. Like, you can just follow the things and you can invest the amount as you want. And this book is all about secret and the principles of the success. And even he mentioned the step-by-step principles of how can a people can become a success over reading this book. So even like many success people are just read this book. They read this book. Like, even you could ask like any successful people, any millionaire, they won't say like they didn't read this book. Every millionaire has read this book, guys. So I highly recommend for every student should read this book. At least if you're a college student, you can start this book reading, guys. Yes, guys, the fourth thing in our list is unlimited power. This book is the best book for to train your brains. The author of this book is Tony Robbins. So I know I don't know maximum people who know about this. Like, if you don't know about him, like, he's the best human psychology person, guys. The person, the author of this book, like, trained the students and trained the people how to program your own mind to do activities. Like, while reading books, you can learn like it's a human psychology book, and you can program your own mind within a few minutes. Like, it just takes, after reading books, you can just take 5 minutes and you can program your own mind. Like, it's a system. So your mind is a system. Like, sometimes your mind gets distracted from other thing. Even while listening class, you may be sitting at the class and your mind is somewhere else. Like, so for all those things, this book going to help you, guys. By reading books, you can eliminate all the fears and then all the over procrastination work. By reading books, you can overcome all those things and you can start focusing on work. The one important thing of this book is like you can code your own mind. Like, after reading books, like, you can code, like, you can program and you can rule your own mind. Like, I seen so many people, even I in my few years back, even I can't able to listen the class properly. So like, I can't able to listen. I cannot able to people listen impatiently. After reading books, like, I had a huge change in my life. So this is going to help you, guys. If you're looking for if you're just not focusing on some particular things, and you can read this book and you can train your own mind by using yourself. This is going to help you, guys. There is no need of any success. Like, there is no need any self-counseling class. Like, you need to pay a huge amount over there. Instead of that, you can spend that money in buying this book and you can train your own mind. This is going to human psychology book. Like, it's going to help you, guys. Trust me. The final book in our list is The 4-Hour Work Week. Even I didn't complete this book. Like, I'm in mid of this book, so I'm going to share the experience of how much I read this book. Like, this book is best for employees and even a college student, like even a final student. Why? Because like, even when you're completing your graduating college, you will be starting work hunting. Like, after getting the work, you can't find time in your life. Like, you just need to work 24 hours for office and you don't have time to spend your family. So if you're kind of person, and it's the best book to read this, and you can manage your time according to it. And the best part of this book is like, we can like, in small amount of time you can do more tasks. So they shared a trick and technique over there. Like, you can just follow the technique in your life, and you can have a balanced life, not only work and studies. You can have some enjoyment of life and spending time with your family and friends. So I would recommend, like, just not like, we are not robots. Like, we are not supposed to work 24 hours a day. We just need to spend like time balancedly, spending time with family and spending time with friends and spending time for ourselves. Like, even we should have, sometimes we just can't able to focus on something, we need to break. So for those kind of students and employees, you can read this book, guys. These are the 5 books in our list, and if you're a student, even if you're a school student, you can start reading these books. Even if you're a working employee, you can start reading books. This is going to help you, guys. Trust me, these 5 books are going to help you. And I'll make a separate video on the books of technology in upcoming videos. So where we discuss only technology books. Even I read around 20 books about technology. So I'm just going to do a separate video on technology books. We can read our books. If you're a techie guy, you can read our books. So like, if you want a good life, balanced life, good productiveness, and then you want things complete on time, just do all these books. If you don't have time, like, I would recommend in these 5 books, I can recommend you can, if you don't have time, you can start with 2 books, like Alchemist and Limitless. These books are just going to change your life, guys. Just start with these 2 books. After that, you can start the balanced books. Like, that's it for today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye. And like, if you didn't join my Discord channel, I have given a link in description. Click on that link and join the Discord channel. It's a student community where we just share the knowledge with each other. It's a complete knowledge sharing, guys. I hope seeing you over there. That's it for today's video. And then subscribe my channel. It's going to help me. Like, it's a motivation for me, guys. That's it for today's. Thanks a lot.